Many users encounter problems during the initial setup of their EE TV Box Mini, but most issues can be resolved with a few key troubleshooting steps. The EE TV Box Mini is a sleek Android TV-based device, but several common failure points can prevent successful setup. The four most common failure points are the initial boot sequence, network authentication, EE account linking, and App Store access due to Google Play Services connectivity problems. Let's start with boot issues. If your device is stuck on the EE logo or in a restart loop, we have specific solutions. For boot issues, try a hard reset first. Hold the power button for 10 seconds, then unplug the device for 30 seconds before plugging it back in. If the hard reset doesn't work, attempt a factory reset via recovery mode by pressing the power and volume down buttons during startup. Now let's address Wi-Fi connectivity problems, which are the most common setup issues. For Wi-Fi connectivity problems, first ensure your router uses WPA2 or WPA3 security protocols for proper authentication. Next, manually select the 2.4 GHz network band for better stability and range. If problems persist, try switching to a public DNS like 8.8.8.8 in your network settings. These troubleshooting steps address the most common EE TV Box Mini setup issues. Following these methods systematically will resolve most initial setup problems. With these troubleshooting techniques, you should be able to resolve most initial setup issues with your EE TV Box Mini. When your EE TV Box Mini apps aren't downloading, crashing, or having login failures, the first step is clearing the app cache. This resolves most app-related issues by removing corrupted temporary files. Resetting Google Play Services is crucial for app functionality. This service manages app downloads, updates, and authentication. When it malfunctions, all apps can be affected. Ensure you have at least 2 GB of free storage space. Insufficient storage prevents app downloads and updates and can cause existing apps to malfunction or crash. For persistent Wi-Fi issues, use a Wi-Fi analyzer to identify optimal channels and minimize interference. This tool shows you which channels are congested and helps you find the best connection. EE has released firmware updates to address boot loop and Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Ensure your box is up to date. If problems persist, contact EE support for firmware recovery or possible hardware replacement. Remember, the EE TV Box Mini relies on cloud-based content delivery, making a stable internet connection absolutely crucial. Without reliable connectivity, the device cannot function properly as it streams content from EE's servers.